Hello. So I thought I would show you how to control your Android phone from your PC. And doing this, the phone screen will show up on your computer monitor, and you can also control your phone with the keyboard and mouse. And you can do this either over Wi-Fi or USB. So you basically connect the phone to a computer with USB. If you do it through the USB, which I can kind of suggest if you're doing this or going to do this for a long period of time, because then the computer will also charge the phone. Because there are two commands you need to do either through Wi-Fi or USB. But the first thing you have to do is to sort of enable debugging on your phone. And depending on the phone you have, I guess it's a different way of doing that. I know how to do it on a Samsung phone, and I put a link to a video on how to do that on a Samsung phone. So my phone is already in debugging mode, or I enable debugging at least. The second thing you need to do is to go to this GitHub page, and I put the link to it in the video description. It's the source copy, the software that you need. And to the right here, it says releases. And you click on that. And you have different releases here. And the latest version is at the top. And then down here under assets, you have different files. And the one that I use is the source copy win64.zip. And you click on it. And for this video, I'm just going to save it on my desktop. Like that. And here it is. And this contains a folder. So I just drag it out like that. Place it over here. Double click on it, and it contains a bunch of files. And people might just double click on the source copy here, but no, don't do that. Instead, you're going to use the file at the bottom here, and it says open a terminal here, the batch file. So now you can minimize Explorer here. So you get this command prompt window. And as I said before, depending if you're going to use this over Wi-Fi or USB, the command is different. If you're going to do this over USB, the command is scr cpy space -- select -USB. And when you press enter here, a window will pop up showing the display of your phone. Like this. And now you can actually minimize. Don't close this, just minimize it. And you get this is my phone. And you can actually control your phone with this, mostly with your mouse. So yeah, if I want to drag up, I hold down left mouse button and it will show all the apps. So yeah, you use your mouse instead of your finger, you use your mouse. So I can, switch between stuff. So yeah, that's kind of a fun thing how you can actually control, and it's easy to sort of show people how it works on the app. So if I want to start an app, the calculator, I know I live in Sweden, so I have actually my phone in Swedish, the text and stuff, of course. So the calculator, you have the calculator here. And then you have this is a nice thing with the software buttons. So yeah, you can go back. And also if you want to show your apps, And this V-band stuff is another thing I'm going to show you. But yeah, this is kind of fun to play around with. So you can control your phone with your mouse. Different apps I have. So yeah. Galaxy Store. Yeah, this is how you can do stuff. So you can close all the apps. And of course, if you want to have a note things, you can sort of type here. I don't want to go in too many apps because it might actually show some private information. So yeah. Files, what else do I have? Different folders. Yeah. Calendar. But it's a nice thing. You can actually, if you use your web browser or whatever, you can start typing in the web address with your keyboard. So yeah, it's a nice kind of feature, and this software also works with tablets. So if you have an Android tablet, you can do the same thing. And of course, you can do it over Wi-Fi as well. So yeah, so that's how it works. So when you're done, you just click the X up here, close it down, and automatically in the command prompt here, it will sort of disconnect. So yeah, that's the USB version, the USB command. If you want to do it over Wi-Fi, you change, instead of typing USB, you type TCP IP, not Wi-Fi, it's TCP IP. And it will do the same thing. So now it's doing it over Wi-Fi instead. And yeah, works just the same. And then when you're done, you just click the X, you just close the window, and this will sort of disconnect. And when you are back here when it says like this, you can just close this window and you're done. So that's how that works. So yeah, catch you later.